How to Draw Modular Prisms. Video by Vladimir London, a Life Drawing Academy tutor. In this video, I will explain what modular prisms are and how to draw them in 1- and 2-point perspective. Let's begin with a prism in 1-point perspective. In this example, the horizon level is at the top, which means that we will look at the prism from above. There is only one vanishing point on that level. Vanishing lines are converging into this point. To draw a prism, we need a perfect cube in 1-point perspective. Its vertical edges are extended upward. The frontal plane of the cube is divided by its axis of symmetry. One half of this plane is the module. This dimension will be used to extend a cube and make a modular prism. A diagonal line goes through points A and B. This line gives the point C on the extended vertical edge. This point gives us the top plane of the modular prism. You can see that the height of this prism is 1.5 times greater than the height of the cube. This is a modular prism. All that is left is to outline this prism in darker lines. Note that according to the aerial perspective, these lines have different boldness. The frontal lines are bolder than the back edges. The cube was extended to get a vertical modular prism. Now I will draw a reclining modular prism using the same horizon and vanishing point. Once again, I will start with a perfect cube in 1-point perspective. Its bottom plane is divided by the axis of symmetry. The same points A and B are used to plot the point C. This point gives us the back side of a modular prism. I will outline this prism using the aerial perspective. Its depth is 1.5 times greater than the height of the original cube. Let's make one more drawing of a reclining modular prism in 1-point perspective. As previously, I start with a cube. Its edges are converging into the vanishing point. The module is the same. It measures 1/2 of the cube width. I will mark it as M. This dimension can be divided in half. 1/2 of a module is extended on both sides of the cube. The width of this extended prism is 1.5 times greater than the width of the original cube. I outline this reclining modular prism in bolder lines following the rules of aerial perspective. Now, it's time to advance to a 2-point perspective. The horizon line is at the top, and I will draw a cube in the 3/4 view seen from above. How to draw a perfect cube in perspective is explained in depth in the Life Drawing Academy correspondence course. To see what this course is about, check lifedrawing.academy/best-drawing-course. Such a circle in perspective appears as an elliptical oval that can be used to construct a cube. Once again, points A and B are used to get the point C, which gives us the modular extension. This is where the right side of the prism is. Like in previous cases, the half width of a cube is the module, and this prism is 1.5 times greater than the width of the cube. All that is left is to outline this modular prism following the aerial perspective rules. To find out more about this course, check out lifedrawing.academy life-drawing.academy/correspondence-course. To find out what Life Drawing Academy is about, check out its free video lessons at life-drawing.academy/free.